Hey guys, big video tonight. This video is to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, man. I can't believe we made it there, but we're here. Huge cook tonight. It's gonna be AHI tuna with the Texas bark, man. Crazy excited about this cook. Thank you guys, thank you. Hey, thanks for the Crockers for giving me a shout out, man. This is awesome, I'm doing what I love. Let's cook some tuna tonight. Changing the game in barbecue. This is a black garlic marinated tuna steak. Hey guys, Butcher Barbecue, Texas bark, man, this is changing the game in barbecue. It's some amazing color. We're gonna pair it with this tuna tonight, okay? Texas bark, it's activated charcoal, SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. We're gonna get it heavily coated right here on this tuna steak. We're gonna turn this tuna steak black. We're gonna cook this thing to a medium rare. And it'll have a really cool pink center to it. Get this flipped over and we'll get the other side. Alright guys, look at that tuna steak completely murdered out. We're gonna get this down on some hot grill grates. These grates are probably rocking about 600 degrees. Alright, we're gonna go straight down on it right here. 2 minutes 30 seconds per side. First flip, and this one we're just gonna go right on the other side. Hey guys, we got this thing done. It's been resting. It's time to slice into it. Recap, we took the Texas bark. It's an AHI tuna steak that was black garlic marinated, and we're gonna get cut into this. Hey, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers, man. It was an amazing accomplishment to have. We're gonna go right down the center right here, okay? Look at that, guys. All right, now let's get some slices on this. Move around a little bit, Shannon. Guys, it's time to taste this thing. This is the 1,000K subscriber tuna video. Guys, I appreciate your support. I appreciate everyone for subscribing. And we're gonna go ahead and try this. It's gonna be me and Kyler. Here you go, Kyler.
Thanks, Dad.
Man, so good. This Texas bark, I'm telling you guys, is changing the game. You gotta get you some of this. It's a great balance, salt, pepper, garlic, and this tuna is on fire. Hey, we're gonna wrap this thing up. We'll be right back. 1,000 subscribers. Hey, because it's a 1,000 subscriber video, I've got 5 of these Texas bark sample seasoning packs. All you gotta do to have a chance to win one of these is comment down below and tell me what you think of this video. Tell me what you think of the channel, and I will reach out to you or to the winners and let you know who won. There's 5 of these, okay? So be that person that gets that wins one of these. But hey guys, that's a wrap on another great video. Grilling Addiction with Nick. We're out. Guys, let's go ahead.
Sorry.
What?
You can't just go. All right. Okay, go.